Hello there, and welcome back to Super. In this update, we're introducing support for Notion tabs, along with 3 custom code enhancements to improve how visitors navigate and experience your site. Super now supports Notion tabs. If you organize content into tabs in Notion, they'll now display correctly on your live Super site without losing their formatting or functionality. This gives you a cleaner way to group related information while keeping your pages easier to browse. Next, we've added a floating table of contents for longer pages. It automatically detects the headings on your Notion page and turns them into a small navigation menu. Visitors can use it to jump directly to different sections on both desktop and mobile. You can now also turn a small Notion gallery into a horizontal scrollable row. Visitors can browse through the cards using the left and right arrows, making it a useful option for portfolios, resources, featured articles, and other visual sections. Finally, you can now customize the message shown on password-protected pages. You can use one message across your site or set a different message for specific pages. You can also adjust the colors, font size, spacing, and alignment to better match your site. And that's everything for this update. We hope these new features give you more ways to organize, customize, and improve your Super site. You'll find all the links in the description below and in our latest newsletter. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay super.